Okay, so we're going to look at how to add a layout-based form to the patient portal. So you're going to start out by creating a blank file in Notepad. So if you were to open Notepad, and the trick to it is, if you're going to save a file as a template file, go save as, and then you want to put it in quotation marks. My new template, and then .tpl. What Windows will do is save it as a TPL and not a text file. So I can go ahead and go save, and now as you can see it is a TPL file. Then I can take that TPL file and then upload it to the patient portal. Now how did I get here? Let me back up a second. If you notice, I'm in the miscellaneous portal dashboard. That's how I got there. And then template manager, and then I'm going to go here to upload my template. Now I've already uploaded my empty template, and once you upload your empty template, then you want to go ahead and click on your template name, because it's going to have the same name as what you uploaded or what you call it anyway. And then you want to, like here, my form is COVID-19. That's my form name. Also, what I'm going to do is get rid of these here, because they don't work. And I also need to add okay, so I got patient signature required, so I need to add the patient signature. And also I included the required tag so that make sure that the patient has to sign it. So I'm going to put this here, and then like I said, I'm going to get rid of this and this. Alright, so now my form is ready to go. I've already created my form in the LBF, so I'm going to go there and show you that right quick. So I jump out of here, and if I go to my layout editor, you can see where I've created my layout based form, and if I click on my editor here, you can see where it's created. And the thing that I want to add to this too, here's a tip, is that if you want the form to open up when you first, when somebody lands in the chart, go to layout properties, wrong one. You want to go to group properties, and then you want to check this little box right here. It says initial open group, so that when somebody opens the form, it opens up already, and they don't have to check the box to expand it. Now, with that said, and I've uploaded my template. Now, my template is in my portal. If I go back to my portal templates, to move it over so that the patient can see it, because when it's up here in the template repository, you can work on it until you're ready for the patients to see it. Then when you're ready for the patients to see it, you need to check this box here and give it a category. You can make up as many categories as you want. That's another video. If you need it, let me know. I'll let you know where it is. And just go ahead and then say send to portal. When you tell it to send to portal, you can see that says successful. Now when I go to default patient templates, you'll see my COVID-19 form over here, and you'll see it's the same thing that I put on the other side. By the way, you can edit these separately. I don't know why he did that, but you can edit these separately. You don't have to edit only on the other side, but it's a good practice to only edit on one side and use the other as a view. Okay, so now that we got that done, one of the tidbits here is that you can go into a patient's dashboard and you can assign documents over here. So if you go to assign documents, you can go here, and then you can assign the COVID-19 document to the patient, so that when they go into the portal, it will prompt them to fill out that form. Now, let me drag this over here so you can see it. Here we go. All right. Now I'm in the patient portal, and if I go to select documents, COVID-19, there's my COVID-19 form that the patient can fill out and sign. If you notice, there's two levels here. So in order for a patient to store a signature in the patient portal, they would click on, edit signature. I clicked the wrong thing. Alright, so under edit signature, once the screen opens up, then they can sign it. If they have a mobile device, that's great. If they're on a PC, they can still use a mouse to sign it. If they have a mouse pad, but however they want to sign it, they can sign it. I've been signing for a long time with a mouse, so I'm pretty good at it. And so I'm going to hit sign and save. Now as you can see, it put my signature down there, and also if I were to click on this, and I can select today's date or any other date that I want, and then fill out this form and save it. That's all I got for you right now. Thanks for watching.